guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening two makeup boxes from Medusa's Makeup. I have one for the month of July and one for the month of August. And August is their birthday box, so they said it's supposed to be more exciting. So let's see how that is. Okay, first thing for July, we've got a pomegranate mask. Yeah, another mask. I've got so many of these, I barely ever use them. Probably should. Next is a Unicorn Magic Dream Protector Face, Hair, and Pillow. I have to read what that is because that means literally nothing to me, but it's cute. Brenda Dillon Kelly Lip Cream. The Bad Boy is the shade. Ooh. The packaging's cute. Another one of these colors. I got the same color basically last time. Not a fan. Another little paint pot. Just like a white color this time. Last time I got this one, so now I have two. I haven't used this one either. The last item for July is a baked eyeshadow. I mean, it's pretty boring. So the month of July, not impressed. Let's see how much everything says it is. Okay, so it says this was $5. Okay. This is $14. This lipstick says this was $18. The fact that this is $18, like I could get like an Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick for that price. Not a fan of that. This is $14. I don't know what it is though, like it doesn't really tell me. And then this little thing is $8. So everything says it's supposed to be $59, and I think I paid like $20, so I mean definitely has some value, but not a fan, not a fan. Alright, now we'll get into August. Birthday box. They made it more exciting. I was waiting for the August one today because I'm going to quit after this because I just want to see, because they said it was their birthday, so it's going to be more exciting. We'll see. Oh my god, this bag is so cute. It looks like bubble wrap, but it's like heart shaped. And I want to pop them, but it's so cute. Okay, that's cute. We get a bag first of all, so I like that. A teeny tiny lip balm. Oh my god, that's so cute. I think before we've gotten a full size of this, and it's like normal lip balm, it's fine, but this is so cute. So precious. Some more coconut oil wipes. I used these before. They were just very greasy because like that's the point of them, I'm assuming, but like it felt really weird. Oh my god, we're gonna have the whole collection by the end of this. I got a gray. Good vibes only. I got a little keychain thingy-majig. I've seen these lately. They seem to be pretty popular. So that's kind of fun. Oh my god, I don't know, glitter scented bath salts. Looking cute. I think we got some of these before. Yes, we got bath salts before, so about to have some exciting baths if I remember I own these. Two more items. A Peachy Keen blush. Got a blush. It's pretty cute. I'm excited to try that. Blush is pretty fun lately, so we'll see how I like that. And the last item, a lipstick. A nude lipstick called Cowgirl. I hope this color is good because like it feels like I might look like so washed out. because I'm pale and this is pale. So we'll have to see how that goes. I like this one a lot more though. There was really cute. I really liked this. The little hearts was adorable in there. Excited about that. Let's see how much it tells us everything is. So the bonus items for this were the bag and the keychains. That was fun. That was like their birthday extras, so that was nice. They are telling me that this tiny little guy is $4. Like, that's a yikes. That's a big yikes, honestly. Embarrassing. The bath salts were $9, the eye dust $9, $4, blush $16, and then the lipstick $14. Okay, so this box was totaled at $70, including the bonus items. So definitely, they did go hard for the birthday, which I appreciate because I was waiting for this, so it did not disappoint with extra items. But like I said, I'm not going to be continuing with the subscription just because I have a lot of makeup now. I was hoping I'd get more exciting things that I wanted to try, but all these things are kind of boring. And that's not what I wanted, okay? But anyway, got more items to try. Gifts for people, if people want to try makeup, I guess. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I appreciate it. See you later.